Hello everybody, welcome to our channel. Today we have a very special episode for you. We'll take you into the shop of an experienced knife maker and show you how he manufactures knives from start to finish. Different knives are designed for different purposes and can be made from a wide range of materials.
However, most knives go through a similar manufacturing process before they end up in your hand.
This is why we've chosen to focus on the generic knife making process in today's video. This is typically done using a combination of machines and hand tools. The blade is heated to a specific temperature. It's usually around 1500 degrees Fahrenheit and then allowed to cool at a controlled rate. This process helps to remove any imperfections and create a smooth, sharp edge. Manufacturers typically use a variety of materials for handles, including wood, bone, antler, and synthetic materials such as G10 or Kydex. The handle is attached to the blade temps, which is the unsharpened portion of the blade that extends into the handle. This is done using a variety of methods depending on the type of handle and blade being used. The process requires a combination of precision, skill, and attention to detail. However, the end result is a product that is not only functional, but also beautiful and aesthetically pleasing. Knife making is a rewarding and challenging hobby that can be enjoyed by anyone with an interest in creating high-quality, durable blades. Some manufacturers use a simple epoxy adhesive to attach the handle to the blade, while others may use a more complex method such as mechanical fasteners or a wooden wedge. If you're interested in learning more about knife making, feel free to check out the links in the description below. Thank you for watching and happy crafting. The handle is secured to the blade, and then any gaps or imperfections are filled using epoxy or other adhesive. Once the handle is secure, the manufacturer will drill holes for the fasteners if necessary and then install them to secure the handle in place. The blade is placed in a grinding machine where it is ground to the desired thickness and shape. The handle is sanded and shaped to be comfortable and easy to grip. It is then stained or dyed to achieve the desired color. The entire process of knife making is a testament to the skill and precision required to create a sharp, durable blade. From the selection of raw materials to the final inspection, each step is an opportunity for the manufacturer to showcase their expertise and passion for their craft. Whether you're a collector or a user, appreciating the intricate process behind the creation of a knife can enhance your enjoyment of this timeless tool. And who knows, it might even inspire you to pick up a knife-making kit and try your hand at this rewarding hobby. Some manufacturers may also add a coating to the handle for added protection and durability. Any additional features, such as a guard or pommel, are also added during this stage. These components help to protect the user's hand, while also adding to the overall aesthetic appeal of the knife. Once the handle is complete, the knife is ready for sharpening and final inspection. Any excess material is removed, and the blade is polished to create a smooth surface. This process requires precision and skill to ensure that the blade is ground evenly and accurately. Once the blade has been ground, it is inspected for any imperfections and any necessary adjustments are made. The blade is then ready to be assembled and fitted with the handle. This process helps to remove internal stress from the steel and make it more durable and resistant to breakage. Additionally, heat treatment can help to improve the sharpness and edge retention of the blade, making it easier to cut and shave with. The specific type of heat treatment used will depend on the type of steel being used, as well as the desired properties of the finished blade. Some blades may undergo multiple heat treatments at different stages of the manufacturing process to achieve the desired result. Overall, heat treatment is an essential step in ensuring that the final blade is both durable and effective. The steel is first cut to the rough dimensions of the blade using a bandsaw or other cutting machine. It is then shaped using a variety of tools such as grinders, files, and sandpaper. The blade is shaped to be both functional and aesthetically pleasing, with the thickness and curvature of the blade affecting its performance and the overall design of the handle being taken into consideration during the shaping process. As the blade takes form, the manufacturer will also begin to add features such as the edge retention, which is the area where the blade will be sharpened, as well as any holes or slots for the handle material. This process of cutting, shaping, and adding features is repeated until the blade is complete and ready for heat treatment. If you have any suggestions for future episodes on specific types of knives or materials, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. The skills and precision required are amazing, and hopefully this video can inspire you to learn more about knife making or even try it yourself. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. This includes choosing a suitable type of steel for the blade, as well as the handle material and any additional components such as a guard or pummel. The choice of material will depend on the intended use of the knife and the desired properties such as sharpness, durability, and corrosion resistance. For example, stainless steel is a popular choice for its durability and ease of maintenance, while carbon steel is prized for its sharpness and ability to take a higher edge retention. The type of steel also affects the overall look and feel of the finished knife. Some steels have a natural pattern to them that can be enhanced through heat treatment, while others can be left plain for a more utilitarian look. Ultimately, the choice of material is up to the manufacturer and can vary widely depending on the specific design and purpose of the knife. Before we jump into the video, we want to tell you that there is a huge variety of different knives out there. Now let's meet the expert. He's been working as a knife maker for over 30 years and has a deep understanding of the craft. In his workshop, he uses a combination of traditional techniques and modern tools to create high-quality knives that are both functional and aesthetically pleasing. His passion for knife making is evident in the care and attention he puts into every step of the process, and his knives are highly sought after by collectors and outdoor enthusiasts alike. The first step in the knife manufacturing process is to select the right materials. Once the materials have been selected, the next step is to cut and shape the blade. Heat treatment is an important step in the knife-making process that helps to improve the properties of the steel and make it more suitable for use as a blade. Once the blade has been heat-treated, the next step is to grind and polish it to its final shape. The handle is an important component of any knife, and its design should complement the overall aesthetic of the blade. The final step in the knife-making process is to finish the handle and add any additional features such as a guard or pummel. And there you have it, a beautifully crafted knife, ready for use. As you saw in the video, there are many steps involved in manufacturing a knife, from selecting the right materials to cutting, shaping, and assembling the various components. If you enjoyed the video and learned something new, please don't hesitate to like and share it with your friends.